Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Screencast-o-matic for all of your screencasting pleasure. Alright, I have a specific problem with Picasa. And Picasa, I don't know if it supports MP4 or not. Because here are, move this out of the way, click OK. Here's the folder for the Maker Faire. I was at the Maker Faire yesterday. Great if you get a chance to go. Turn on the movies only, and you can see that only my WMVs are showing, and not my MP4. So if I go back to Maker Faire, here, no movies. But when I go to the folder, Control Enter takes me straight to the folder, and you can see I've got a stack of MP4s that I took yesterday at the Maker Faire. So Picasa, where is MP4 support? This is the latest Picasa. Tools, help, check for updates. Application is up to date. MP4 support not there. Looking for a quick solution. Thanks.